Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit the business card mockup in Photoshop. So first you want to have this handy layers panel open. So if you don't see the layers panel, just go to Window and then click on Layers to bring it up. To insert your design, you just want to double click the thumbnail icon in the Design - Business Card layer. You may need to click the arrow first to expand the layer group and then double click the thumbnail icon in the Design - layer. And then now you just need to copy and paste your design. So to do that, just go to File, Open, and then find your design off the computer. And then once it opens, just go to Select All, then Edit, Copy, and click back on the Smart Object tab, and go to Edit, Paste. And depending on the size, you might need to resize it a little bit. If you need to do that, just go to Edit, Free Transform. And you can just click and drag on the corners to make it bigger or smaller as needed. In older versions of Photoshop, you used to have to hold down the Shift key to keep it proportional. So if you see it getting distorted, just go to Edit, Undo, and then do the opposite of whatever you're doing, whether that's holding down the Shift key or not holding it down. And then once you've got everything sized right, just go to File, Save. And then once it saves, you can click the little X here to close it. And you can close your original graphics too. And you'll see it put the design on the business card just like that. If you want to, you can also adjust the color of the business card. So I'm going to click the little eye icon next to the Design - layer to hide it temporarily. And then you just double click the thumbnail icon in the Color - Business Card layer. And that would bring up the color picker. And here you can just click anywhere in the rainbow slider to change the color. And you can click in the gradiated box to change the lightness and darkness of the color. You can also edit the lightness and darkness of the shadows just by clicking the arrow next to the shadows layer group, and then clicking on either of the shadows, and then clicking the down arrow next to fill here, and dragging the slider to the right to make it darker, or the left to make it more subtle. And then depending on which mockup you purchased, you may have different backgrounds. So to cycle through those, just click the arrow next to the backgrounds layer and then toggle the little eye icons on and off. And that's all there is to adding your design to the business card mockup in Photoshop. Please message me at melissabmockups.com if you have any questions. And don't forget to like, subscribe so you get updates to future videos. And as always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you.